It pleases me to make a pleasant song, not of the wind's wild whistlings all day long. For I do not want so base a trade to run, that my skills should stoop to petty things and fail. But of great deeds it's right that I should tell, at least to say to the base what weighs on their mind, and to please the gay and courtly kind, and to honor those who do deeds of honor's praise. For who does well, it's right that he be loaded always. So I am pleased to speak true praise and sing of every man of worth in my song space. Yet I need hardly trouble my mind to trace such songs. So few there are whom worth can bring pleasure, but of those few it is not right to prune their honor deeds. So I will not fall mute of what the honor king of the French has done. For he is the first to bring aid, crossed and gone to the holy realm where God was born and died, whom men once lifted on the cross and crucified. I give praise and worth and honors meed to the King for the good beginnings part. Yet I await from the best a fuller heart, so they may give him a more whole praise indeed. Then let him bring to a head what is well begun, for at the end men sing true praise when all is done. Let him cross the sea in person, great need it is, for over there Christians are dead and prisoners in this, and the sepulchre is broken, cast down low, where God was laid when from the cross he was taken. So and here Christians are warriors in the fray among themselves, and that to mortal end, and feel no grief nor heavy sorrow, friend, for this shame, nor for this trouble in the way. Yet if fear the war does not come and cease, Christendom will hardly fail to fall to its decease. Do you know why? For in the world there is no thing can kill another better than himself can bring. Yet if it falls, I may say it grieves me so, but I can do no more, for power is not mine to show. With willing heart and free, or with his power frankly God's is he, has such great need of him in this call. The French king I praise, who seems to have heart for it, and the wicked barons who never displease I fit with blame, for they fail God in what they vowed. Yet I will not have them by name reproved aloud. For if I had to blame all the wicked in my strain, my little song would finish late. with much to explain. You alone from the base barons expect no succor shown. Yet if death takes the wicked baron's breath, you'll have help, for then peace will reign after death.